Happy Memorial Day. Do I have a delicious treat for you today to kick off the summer? It's very refreshing, perfect for Memorial Day. You can take it on a picnic if you have a freezer, and they're called poptails, which really is an adult version of a popsicle. So it's half popsicle and half cocktail because it does have some liquor in it. So you're going to start off with these cute popsicle molds. And today I'm making a vodka sunset. So we have 3.5 ounces of vodka. We have 5 ounces of orange juice, 5 ounces of blood orange juice, a dash of Chambord, but I didn't have that, so I'm substituting Cointreau because it's just a dash. And then you top that all off with 8.5 ounces of club soda. So you just pour this all together, and then once it's mixed, then you just put in the popsicle tray and then freeze, and you are good to go with the vodka sunset. So enjoy your day. Happy Memorial Day, and thank you for all of the veterans that have served our country. We're so thankful for you.